dismounting a tire with the Rabaconda 3-minute tire changer is really easy. However, sometimes with a really slippy tires or wet tires, the bead breaker might slide over the tire as it's happening here right now. The trick in this case that helps is to grab one tire iron, use the straight end, stick it between the tire and the rim. This will keep some tension here. And then do as you normally would by pushing the tire down. Take smaller bites. And here, if it's only now sitting on the rim lock, it's not good to push it on top of it because you're pushing straight on top of the rim lock. Raise the bead breaker guide here and just slide it over the rim lock.